Everybody, today I will show you how to make the path mapping robot. For this you will need your Arduino, your programming cable and your wheels. Then you will plug in your programming cable to your laptop. I can show you how I did that. See, a socket here. I will plug it in. Then you will attach the wheels on the motors of the Arduino. You will not insert the cable right now. Then you will open Wingicom Studio, and there you will connect your WinBoard. See here, you connect your WinBoard program. Then you will also connect from here by WinBoard link. You have to install that. You will get the installation there and you can install it. Okay, so this is the coding. You can make it go in any direction you want, any shape. I have made the square. It can go in circles, triangle, square, and any shape. So first I have to make this. You have to first put when Arduino begin and initialize pin. There you don't have to change the pin. Then you will put the forever block, and then you will put the set direction. So if you cannot see that, you will go to this plus sign down here on the bottom left corner. See, you will see car, you will see PS2 remote control, sharp IR sensor, IR sensor. From there you will have to take the car control driver. When you have taken that, you will go to car control driver and take the initialize pin from there. And then you will also take the set direction. Then from that you will have to make it go forward. So you will use high, low, high, low. Then you will make it wait 2 seconds and that block is in control. Then you will put set direction again and then high, low, 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 low. So 3 of them, the first one will be high and then all of them will be low. Then you will do wait 1 second. After that you will copy this 4 times. When that's done 4 times, you will form a square. Why do you have to do it 4 times? Because there are 4 sides in a square. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will do it like that. Now I will show you how it actually looks. My table is not big enough to make the square. Okay, so I will show it again. This time I think so it will make the whole square. See, it's not big enough and it's not working, but I think you get the idea of this. And have a good day guys. Bye bye.